Hi, this is Jenny Gonzalez with Keller Corona. Today we are going to talk about pre-approvals. In lending, pre-approval is the pre-qualification for a loan or mortgage of a certain value range. What does pre-approval really mean? Pre-approval, on the other hand, means the lender has already done its due diligence and is willing to loan you the money. Plus, you've got an official letter from your lender. When a buyer places an offer, submit pre-approval to show the homeowner that your offer is strong with proof. I am proud to be a member of Keller Corona. My license number is 01249788 and Keller Corona license is 01406566. Each office is independently owned and operated, but we all work as a team. As you see, we're all wearing red here, and we have Red Day, and that has all of us with hearts because we give back to the community and we love our community.
Like us on social media. I'm on Twitter at Jenny G Sells Homes. I'm on YouTube at Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate, and you can find me on Facebook on Jenny Gonzalez Real Estate.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, Jenny Gonzalez Realtor. You stay up to date with market updates, upcoming listings, and anything else that's going on in the community that you may be interested in. Call me today for more information regarding the real estate market. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm with Keller Corona, and my cell phone number is 951-316-0374, and my license number is 01249788. Thank you for watching the video. I am Jenny Gonzalez, Realtor, and I provide all real estate services. And to me, a home is not just a place to live. Home is where memories are made.